Synergy Manufacturing, performance engineered for over 20 years. Synergy Manufacturing is an industry innovator and manufacturer of high-end steering and suspension components. Synergy has specialized in the manufacturing and distribution of premium steering and suspension components since 2005. These components are predominantly made in the USA. Synergy products have been designed by real engineers with true experience in the off-road industry. Here at Synergy, all of our products have not only endured countless hours of design, engineering, and testing, but have also encountered thousands of hours of hardcore use all over the world. Synergy manufacturing products were designed and engineered from the ground up using a synergistic approach to maximize the vehicle's on and off road performance. From Jeep, Ram, and Ford Super Duty platforms, Synergy has you covered. From daily driving to the most extreme off-road terrains, Synergy will get you farther. Synergy Manufacturing, performance engineered steering and suspension.